Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Chamberlains Waterkloof in Pretoria.
The store opened in 1976, just before the 1980s industrial boom. It's one of our smaller stores, so not a mega store, but we are quite busy. What makes me proud about this store is just the knowledge that goes around. All our staff go to training. We are experts in our field. If we don't know something, we find out. And also we've got some colleagues here that have been working here in the early 90s, 80s before that. So it's like a big family that's working under this roof. Who are my customers? Basically, they're family. We see them every day. We give them coffee, we sit down, we drink coffee with them, talk about their building sites. Yeah, it's like being one of our family members. What I love about our customers is their loyal support. They come to us every day, even if we can't supply them with something, we at least try to. What makes this the best hardware store to buy Plascon at is our availability of stock and the wide range that we have. We can tint a multiple of colors to any range in Plascon. What is my favorite Plascon product and why? It has to be the Micatex, the attractable colors that they've got in the range, the price point, and just the quality of the product. It's also been in the market for so many years. Customers know it, they come ask for it daily. A DIY tip that I might have is to do your preparation. Spend time on your preparation before you start painting. And my DIY motto would be, prevention is better than cure.
Today's Handy Heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.